Hey guys, this is my first ever video. Okay, so after lockdown, how traveling is there in Uttarakhand if you are traveling to Uttarakhand. So that I will tell you later when this video is going to end. I'll tell those things you in description. So right now we reached Mussoorie at 3 PM and then we were looking for the hotel. We got a very cheap deal. We are 5 guys. Okay. So we got it for 1200 and now what we are doing, we are just roaming around the place. We have this beautiful place right next to our hotel. I'll just show you. See this market. There is the police station and here are the market. See the shops. Mussoorie is really beautiful. I don't know why people doesn't come here to visit it, you know. So this is the place where you can rent scooters. I don't know about the rent because we rode from Delhi to here, so we have our own bike, so we didn't ask. So I'll ask it later and put it on the description in my video. And the main point of attraction is this. So from here you can see whole Mussoorie. Coming down from there you can see that road. Yeah, we came from there, and just below those hills we have Dehradun. And this is Sunil. These are guys with whom I am riding. So now we will start roaming around the market and we'll explore, and I'll capture some more videos and tell you about it. Okay, thanks.
इधर नहीं है और चक्राता का रास्ता भी इधर से ही है, वो सही है ना, कल के लिए सही है। हाँ, कल के यहीं से निकल जाएंगे।
तो कैंपटी फॉल लाएंगे, चक्राता जाएंगे, फिर बाइक वहीं दे
रूम वहीं ले लेंगे। हाँ, चक्राता पे
टाइगर फॉल है, वो टाइगर फॉल
कल का वहाँ कवर हो जाएगा, फिर उसी के आसपास परसों आधे दिन तक का देख लेंगे कुछ।
परसों मॉर्निंग में चक्राता फॉल में आएंगे, टाइगर फॉल।
अच्छा, पहले वहाँ रुकेगा?
हाँ, कल वहाँ घूमेंगे।
अच्छा,
अगर ये चक्राता में होटल वगैरह है क्या? चक्राता में होटल वगैरह होंगे ना?
अरे वो भी अच्छी जगह है। हेलो हेलो गाइस, सन्नी
सन्नी भी आ रही थी वो।
और भाई साहब तुमने अपना पर्स गिरा दिया।
हाँ, बड़ा दुख हो रहा है, लेकिन मिला है, एक पार्टी को मिला है, वो देने के लिए रेडी है। नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, वो देने के लिए रेडी है।
देने के लिए तो आप रेडी हो गए।
पार्टी तेरे देगा, तू पार्टी को क्या देगा? अरे वो तुम्हें पार्टी को क्या देगा, पैसे देगा और क्या देगा?
निकाल दो सॉस, निकाल दो इसमें सारा।
हाँ सन्नी,
क्या ऊपर छिड़क दो
खाना
साइड में।
So we are going through some lanes. I don't know what this. This is Ambedkar Chowk. See that name? See. So we are walking. Yes, this is me. See, with mask and all. Okay. So let's see what is there in the front. So it doesn't seem that there is something much here. Some hotels. Okay. So it's a Make My Trip hotel. You can book by Make My Trip, I guess. Must be giving some good offers. So there is nothing much here. Just a road. And there is a bull which looks violent, so I'm gonna run. And this is Ashiana Continental Hotel. So I'll later show you my hotel which we have booked for the 5 people, a room for 5 people for 1200, and I found it quite cheap. I was shocked actually. So we are heading back from Ambedkar Lane, and there is a Scorpio coming, and I'll have to run. So pretty much same thing. So guess why this chalk was named Ambedkar Chalk. This is the great guy Ambedkar. You can see. Oh, now we are moving. Welcome to Indira Chowk, Dhuldhar. So there's a beautiful road going up. I don't know what is there. We are going other way. So we'll be going downwards. There's a car coming. We are going somewhere. क्या है?
ग्रिल लगा हुआ है। ग्रिल है यार उधर से डायरेक्ट आ जाए इधर से।
We are going for a trolley ride. ट्रॉली राइड के लिए जा रहे हैं?
नहीं, मतलब क्या है?
अच्छा अच्छा।
ट्रॉली राइड के लिए मॉर्निंग में है। चलिए ऊपर जाओगे बस बंद हो जाएगा, कुछ भी नहीं, अब मार्केट बंद हो रही है।
So we are going to a Martyrs Memorial. Okay, Shaheed Smriti. What is that? So these are the people. Who led their life for some struggle, freedom struggle. See, beautiful, huh? And there are people, and let's see more. See, these are all the martyrs of Uttarakhand. So this is how new houses are built in here. Wooden house. It seems wooden house here. It's a beautiful house. It's a sample. Okay, it's just a picture. And these are the traditional houses of Uttarakhand. See how beautiful it is. It is just a model prototype. And inside we have some more memorial people. So we'll go inside. Okay. So see, we have to take off our shoes, or yeah, I'll take out my shoes. So these are all the people who have done good for Uttarakhand. So you can find this in Mussoorie if you are interested in history of a place where you're visiting. These are all the people: Hansa Chennai, Balveer Singh Negi, Dhanpal Singh Ji, Mohan Ji. See, this is how the protests were laid, and this is must be some right. So, see, it's so beautiful. So let's head back. And these are the most gruesome attack, the Pulwama attack. If you remember that, when 42 people laid their life. So these are all the names of those people. It's in Hindi, but these were the brave people. The convoy was attacked by the terrorists in Kashmir. So they were mostly from battalions like 45, 76, 65, 82. So I'm glad that I share my history with Uttarakhand. You know, Uttarakhand has been, has a record of sending many people to army. And this is how the view of the market. बना रहा भाई जबरदस्त बना। Okay guys, so this is a trolley ride. Okay, so this is what do you call, right downside the Indira Chowk. So there you can see the, I think some trolley is coming. You can see that thing revolving. So yeah, see, this is the ride. We were thinking of doing it, but I guess at night it's not worth. All you will see are just some lights. Okay, so I might do that tomorrow in the morning when I can see the whole valley. So this is the trolley. Okay, people are coming outside. Nice. Yes, people are coming outside. Okay, so and this is where you can buy the ticket. What is the rent? यहीं से मिलता है टिकट? हाँ, टिकट यहीं से मिलता है? 125 रुपये पर पर्सन. ओके. So this is the ticket. ये रहा आपका टिकट का. This is the ticket. 125 per person. Both sides. Like going down and then coming back, or going up and then coming back. So it's going up again. भाई ट्रॉली राइड कितना मीटर है? पूरा मीटर कितना है? पूरा 500 मीटर. नीचे भी जाता है क्या? ऊपर को? So this trolley ride is approximately around 500 meters, and that's a good deal, I guess. 125 rupees and 1 kilometer of ride. Nice. You can enjoy that with your family or girlfriend. Here local market, sweet corns, popcorns, candy floss, some Maggie and the eggs and all. General store. People are laughing, that's good. Keeping their spirits high at the time of Corona, you know. You see this? Some toys. Pani Puri and all the things. And this is Pan Bhandar. Pan Bhandar. And again back to the Indira Chowk. Okay, so you can remember it that the trolley you will find is near Indira Chowk. Going downwards, you will find it in the Indira Chowk. So there are two roads. One is going up, one is going down. So you have to take down road or taking the trolley ride. Okay, now we are going up. So this is the market. You can buy bells, ornaments, caps. This you can buy pretty much everywhere in India, and I think that it will be cheaper in Delhi. But if you are here and want to pick some souvenirs for your friends and for your room, you can buy it from here. Or shoes, some shawls and all. Indian snacks, jalebi. गरम गरम है क्या जलेबी? मज़ा आ जाता. So that is जलेबी. गरम गरम होती ना, मज़ा आ जाता है.
निकालते हैं तब.
हाँ, तब तो अपने आप मचल जाता मन. And it's getting pretty much dark. हैं?
अगर ताज़ा निकाल के दे तो बनवा लेते हैं.
See this? That's a very long road. I don't think so we will go till the end. We will go till where we can go. But all these are, you know, close and everything. You can pretty much find it everywhere. So this is again me.
हेलो. अरे मालिक जा ही नहीं रहा, बताओ क्या करूँ. नहीं, एयरटेल नहीं, जियो से कर रहा हूँ. जो एयरटेल रहा था तो उसमें बैंक का दिक्कत बता रहा था, और कनाई वाले को कुछ ऑप्शन जा ही नहीं रहा. अमाउंट डाल रहा हूँ, उसके बाद पेमेंट वेंट कुछ नहीं हो रहा. पता नहीं अब नेक्स्ट.
It's pretty much cool here. People are roaming around. Nice. Jackets, trousers. lamppost looks beautiful. I don't know, it looks like it was installed somewhere in old times, and I'll go till here only. Yes. So there's Pintu is coming to me. हाँ भाई क्या करना है? कुछ है नहीं ज़्यादा. हाँ. So we are heading back. See how beautiful it looks. This is how it looks at night. If you can see those lights, that city. See. And see that beautiful Mussoorie. So if you want to come in winters, you know, you should come in June to March. There is snowfall, so you can enjoy the snowfall with the family. You should avoid coming in rainy season. It's pretty much dangerous, and landslide is a very common thing here. And in summers you can come all the time. It's always cool up, and that's good. So this is how it looks at night. See that place with a view. Oh my God! एक मिनट भाई आजा. See? Oh my God! That's Gandhi Chowk. See? This is Mussoorie, and you can come. This is Mussoorie Library. It was established in 1843. That is Gandhi Chowk Market. They left me alone, and now I'm going back to them. Okay. इधर क्या है?
ऐसी है जो कुछ 25 का सामान है.
थोड़ा ये महाराष्ट्र वहाँ चले गए थे ना लखनऊ, तो इसके पैसे
Next day, we started on a path toward Jakarta. It was 85 kilometers away from Mussoorie, and we had a plan to make a stop at Kempty Fall. So in the next video, we will see Kempty Fall and what to expect from the place. I hope you liked the video, so please share and subscribe. Thank you. And keep traveling, exploring places and yourself.